A lot of people dream of becoming a software developer. You have a great salary, progressive teammates, freedom to work out of office. But there is always a but. Not this one. The main but here is that you're still selling your time. You have to keep pushing buttons on this plastic thing. If you don't, your earnings stop. And I decided to investigate how ordinary software developer can quit a rat race and start earning independently of spending time, of course, in tech. For a couple of days I've been researching and thinking, oh stop, I'm really here doing my research. So what I'm seeing is a huge need to jump into right now is AI adoption. Businesses around the world want to earn more using AI by speeding up processes, spending less on stuff, and processing more data. I'm living in Ireland. It's a wonderful country with the kindest people and great service. Until you try to buy car insurance. It was a nightmare to me, spending so much time on the phone getting empty promises to call me back and at the end paying a lot of money. When I tried to leave feedback, I'd like to share my customer experience.
Yes, we'll call you back.
So I opened Google Maps, giving 0 stars, very bad, unprofessional, don't care, don't believe, avoid. And maybe they are not such villains, maybe they just need a proper feedback management to process comments and provide a better user experience. That's where I could start, helping businesses turn customer feedback into growth opportunities. As a developer, I wanted to start building the MVP, but a voice said to me,
hold on, buddy. First, you need to understand who your first audience is and what exact problems they have with feedback management.
Okay. So I decided to make a landing page with description of my project to start SEO ranking, include a survey link to get their problems, and prototype a dashboard. This would increase engagement from potential customer and provide them playground of the future project. I called it ReviewRadar.app. And to start, you select a business, maybe your own, from Google Maps, fetch info, and voila, you see real, useful data based on your last 5 comments. For the laziest user, it even gives summarized suggestions on what to improve to increase customer satisfaction. Looks fancy, huh? And of course, businesses can leave their email, contact me for partnership, or just stay in touch. I'm a software developer, and this gives me 2 advantages. First one, I don't have to pay any developers, and the second, the most importantly, I don't need to use any no-code solution. So I took Tabler template with Pure.js for the frontend, Golang with Postgres for the backend, Google Business API for comments, OpenAI for analysis, and made it all work. And now it's just a hint, it's not an ad though, I wish it were. I know a lot of people struggling getting their emails with custom domain. I'm using Zoho services for it. They provide free accounts that's great, suitable for prototypes, MVPs, and small teams like I am. Services like Google wants too much money just for testing ideas, and create custom mail service take too much time and effort from me. So far, it cost me $0 for development and DevOps. I've made everything by myself. $0 for hosting. I'm using AWS EC2 along with my other projects. $15 for purchasing the domain for 1 year and 4 days to implement. At this moment, I've earned -$15. Good start. What do you think? If you guys want to take part in this project, write to me here. Like, subscribe to see the project grow, and stay in tech.